Oh wow, you guys probably can't see anything. We are at Bluff at the moment, and it's like, I think about 1 in the morning. We generally can't see a thing, but we are going up to Gospel Pass, which is, yeah, one of the highest points in Wales, I believe. So yeah, we're using the Focus, just to prove you guys it is like 1 in the morning. My car clock's a bit wrong, but you can see, if we just climb in, you can see it's actually 1:46, well, 12:46 almost, 1 in the morning. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. Well, I've got my camera mount all set up, so yeah, let's do this. This is going to be a bit of a point of view. You can't see a bloody thing. Here's the Focus. It's brilliant daily, this. Really can't fault it. I've given this car so much crap and it's just still going really strong. Can't fault it. But yeah, let's down there is like Wales, you can see all the lights and stuff. Yeah, let's carry on up to Gospel Pass. Let's go. So you got the mountain up there. I can't remember what that mountain's called, but I've never hiked it, but hey, maybe in one video. So my Focus is the highest Focus in Wales. Wow. So here we are. I don't know why I'm looking around because I can't see anything. I'm going to close out just in case the car locks itself and I'll be screwed then. So yeah, so this is possible. I must come here during the day when you can actually see anything, but yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. It's a bit of a random video, but if you want to see more of these videos, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.